What's up guys, Cello with CTM. Today we're going to be doing a 6-inch BDS kit on this 2026 Silverado 1500. We're going to be pairing it up with some fuel rebars and some Toyo tires. My boy Cameron and G are going to be doing this build throughout the day, so let's see how that goes. And just like that, we got the 6-inch BDS kit finished for the customer. We got some fuel and some Toyo tires in to match it up with the lift to make sure it all looks nice and fire. When you guys are ready to do a build like this, please hit me up, Cello at CTM Customs, and we'll see you with the next build.